DSLR cameras are a popular choice among photographers due to their advanced features and capabilities, including high-quality sensors, interchangeable lenses, and manual controls. They are suitable for both amateur and professional photographers, allowing them to capture stunning images with incredible detail and clarity. After extensive research and review reading, I have compiled a list of best DSLR cameras from top brands to help you make an informed purchase. The list includes products with varying features, benefits, and prices. Check out my description for further information on pricing and product details. Watch the video to discover which DSLR cameras are right for you without delay. Number 1. Black color Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with a 2-lens kit. This camera is perfect for those who want to take their photography skills to the next level. With the included f/18 to 55mm and f/75 to 300mm lenses, you can capture amazing photos from far away or up close. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera has you covered. The camera features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, which captures stunning detail and color in every shot. And with the Digic 4 Plus image processor, you can shoot up to 3 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a moment. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, allowing you to easily share your photos with friends and family. Plus, the 3-inch LCD screen makes it easy to review your shots on the go. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with a 2-lens kit is the perfect choice for capturing your memories in stunning detail. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a powerful tool for photographers. With its 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, it captures sharp details, accurate colors, and low-noise imaging in both bright and low-light shooting situations. The 3.0-inch 920K LCD monitor with Full HD 1080-30p video recording capabilities allows you to easily review and share your photos and videos. The Canon 18 to 55mm 2-lens is a standard zoom compatible with Canon APS-C format cameras. It features a focal length range of 18 to 55mm, equivalent to 29 to 88mm in the 35mm format. In addition to the camera and lens, this bundle includes 2 SanDisk 32GB SDHC memory cards, a deluxe padded camera case, flashlight, 3PC filter kit, extra battery pack, AC/DC car and home charger, high-speed USB card reader, and 50-inch camera tripod. The 0.43x auxiliary wide-angle lens conveniently mounts to the front of your fixed zoom lens, allowing you to capture a wider field of view. The 2.2x auxiliary telephoto lens brings you twice as close to the action, perfect for long-distance photo situations such as sporting events. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle with its various accessories is an excellent choice for capturing stunning photos and videos. Number 3. Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera. Introducing the Paging's own Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera bundle, featuring an 18.0MP APS-C CMOS sensor camera with Digic 4 Plus image processor. This bundle comes with an 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 DC3 zoom lens, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. And that's not all, it also includes a 64GB Ultra SDHC memory card and a 58mm 0.43x HD wide-angle lens to capture more in your shots. And a 58mm 2.2x telephoto conversion lens, 58mm 3PC filter kit, camera gadget bag, 50-inch tripod, high-capacity spare battery, lens cleaning brush pen, lens cleaning dust blower, and a DSLR camera 5PC starter kit to complete the bundle. With Full HD 1080p video recording at 29.97 fps, you can capture every moment in vivid detail. The 9-point autofocus, dual, up to 3 fps shooting and ISO 12800, scene intelligent auto features provide you with even more flexibility in your photography. And with Wi-Fi and the Canon Connect app connectivity, you can easily share your photos and videos with friends and family. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Paging's own Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera bundle today and unleash your creativity. Number 4. Professional bundle Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Introducing the Canon Camera Bundle, a comprehensive photography package that is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. This bundle includes the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, which features a 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, and Full HD 1080-30p video recording. It also includes the Canon FS18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6's 2-lens, which is great for everyday photography. And the Canon f75 to 300mm f4 to 5.6 rear lens, which is perfect for capturing distant subjects with precision. But that's not all, this bundle also comes with a 500mm f8 telephoto preset lens, for capturing even the most distant subjects with clarity. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC makes transferring photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet a breeze. And the Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Filters, and Creative Auto Modes provide you with even more creative control. With a 1-year seller warranty, high-quality accessories, and multiple lenses, the Canon camera bundle has everything you need to capture beautiful photos and videos. Get yours today and unleash your creativity. Number 5. 15-piece bundle Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera. Capture your memories in stunning detail with the Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera bundle. With its 18-megapixel camera and Digic 4 Plus image processor, this camera captures high-quality photos and Full HD movies. And with its built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly share your photos and videos or even control the camera remotely with your compatible smartphone. The Scene Intelligent Auto and Creative Auto Mode make it easy to take stunning photos with unique finishes. And with its 9-point autofocus and dual, up to 3 FPS shooting, you can capture precise moments with ease. The bundle comes with a variety of accessories including a Transcend 32GB high-speed Class 10 South Dakota memory card, USB card reader, a 58mm UV filter, a battery, a charger, lens caps and body cap, a deluxe gadget bag, a 7-spider flex tripod, an X-strap, and a Jerry's photo lens cleaning cloth. Capture distinctive stories with DSLR quality photos and Full HD movies with the Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera bundle. Get yours today and take your photography to the next level. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.